The door panel is screwed to the door in 3 places. Screws 1 and 2 are located near the armrest. Pry the armrest cover outwards and remove it. There is a screw underneath. The other screw is at the bottom of the armrest, easily accessible. Remove both screws. Position 3 is a plastic nut at the bottom of the panel. Turn the nut a quarter turn. Now the trim is only attached to the door with clips. Starting from the bottom, gradually release the clips. Suitable tools are described below. Once the clips have been released, pull the panel upwards and out of the window trim strip. Release the Bowden cable lock and disconnect the cable from the internal door handle. Unplug the window regulator switch. Simply pull the clips remaining in the door outwards, and then reinstall them in the panel. The clips should be in this position prior to assembly. So some clips have to be pushed back. When reassembling the trim, reconnect and check everything. First, slide the cover in at the top and then push it down. Only then should the individual clips be pushed back into the door. Good luck with your DIY project.